Flavor just isn't important. It's the soul of your mead. It's what makes someone stop mid-sip and say, wow, it's the difference between a bottle you proudly share and one that gathers dust. First up, fruit. Even a handful of blackberries, pineapple, or sliced apple can bring brightness and depth. Frozen fruit? Even better. It breaks down faster and floods the must with flavor. Next, don't underestimate your honey. Swap out generic clover for orange blossom, wildflower, or meadow foam. Each brings its own flavor fingerprint. Yeast. Yeast isn't just converting sugar to alcohol. It's a flavor engine. QA23, think citrus and floral. 71B adds smooth stone fruit. Kveik Lutra is clean, fast, and neutral. It lets your ingredients shine. Sometimes all your mead needs is a little lift. A pH tweak, from fruit to a pinch of acid blend, can brighten everything. Want complexity? Oak does wonders. A few toasted oak chips or cubes in a jar can transform a mead in weeks. Here's a secret pro move, blending. Combine two average meads, too sharp, too sweet, and you might discover magic. These aren't guesses. They're the same tricks I've used across dozens of batches, and they work. What's your favorite trick for adding flavor naturally? Drop it in the comments. Want my exact yeast picks, nutrient schedule, and step-by-step process? Download my ebook, Mead-Making at Home Easily. It's free and in the link below. For the full deep dive, check out the Practical Mead-Maker ebook. It covers everything from honey and water chemistry to flavor balancing, off-flavor fixes, and troubleshooting, all in a clear, beginner-friendly format. You'll find both links in the pinned comment or video description, along with my go-to gear and tools that I use every day. If you have a question, drop it in the comments. I'd love to help. And if this video helped, hit the like and subscribe button for more no-fluff mead-making strategies that actually work. Check out my other videos and playlists over here to master every step of the mead-making process, from advanced technique to building unforgettable flavor. Happy mead making, and I'll see you in the next video.